Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 3D wallpaper Labubu. If you're a fan of Labubu dolls right there, the trends right now, I'm going to teach you how to set up a live wallpaper for your iPhone. Now, just a quick disclaimer, this live wallpaper option only works for iOS 26. I have so much video on how to install the iOS 26 beta as of now, so please watch them up. So check if you have iPhone 26 or iOS 26 available, go to the settings of your phone, go on General, and look for Software Update. Now as you can see, I'm currently running 18.5, meaning this feature is not yet available on my end. However, I can still show you how it works. So go to your Photos application and choose the photo of Labubu that you want to make a wallpaper of, or especially a live wallpaper. Let's just say I'm gonna go with this one right here. Alright? So click on this one, the arrow key right there, and look for says wallpaper. Now it will give you an option to choose from a lock screen or a home screen. So for this one, it's currently preparing a wallpaper as of now. So basically in here, while you're zooming and pinching out, there should be a button just beside these three dots that makes it a live wallpaper. So make sure you click on that one and you'll be good to go. And basically that's it. That's how you change any photo into a live wallpaper. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.